We'll guide you through how to make a line chart in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Sheets, and so you want to go and make a line graph or chart. We're going to guide you through this step by step. It's a great way of representing data. You can do this with just one line if you've got one set of data, or you may go and have multiple lines you want to go and add. So just to give you an example, I've already got some data here. If you haven't already, you need to go and type in the data you want to do it with. So you can see I've got the year here. And for this first set, I've got sales. And the second set, I've also got profit, just so we can add in an extra line for that year. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. So as I said, once you've gone and added in the data here, what you want to do is click, hold and drag. And you're going to include the headings for the axes as well. Then what you need to do at the top here is come along to the right and go and find the chart icon, and you can go and click on insert chart, and it's now inserted it. Now, it's not always the case. It is using a line chart this time, but if it doesn't, come under chart type and you can click line chart or whatever chart it currently is, and you can scroll through here and go and find line. Line's actually right at the top, but sometimes it doesn't always use the chart you want to at the start. So make sure you go and then have it selected, which is this one here for me. And you could also go and use a curvy one if you prefer that, smooth. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and click, hold and drag, and you can move it where you want to. I'm going to show you customizing in a moment. For now, I want to actually go and use the one with the other line. So it's selected, I'll just go and press backspace. Now I'm going to click, hold and drag the data for the chart I want to make. With it selected, once again, come along to the right and find insert chart and click there. And now we've added it in. So now I'm going to customize this a little bit more. Once again, though, make sure you are using a line chart. You choose that to the right and setup, and you can scroll through here and choose it how you want. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to go and press customize like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and you can choose the chart style, the background color, the font, and the chart border. And you can make it smooth. You can maximize it. And there are different things you can do here. You can then come into the titles and you can adjust them. So for example, I can click at the top here without being in there anyway. I could type in business, sales, and revenue. You can choose the font and other formatting there. Then we can come into series and you can go and adjust this to your liking as well. You've then got horizontal and vertical axes, and you can go and make it bold, and you can go and adjust the other things. And of course you've got vertical, and you can come into guidelines and ticks and adjust that as well. And you can click, hold and drag and place it where you want it. If when you go and close it, you want to open it again, double click on it, and then you can keep editing it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.